Hi everyone. Today's workshop is going to be focusing on building lasting and strong critical thinkers. Today's learning and teaching goals include to learn the Say, Mean, Matter strategy, to support students through the analysis process, critical thinking, to grow our abilities and our students' abilities to question, analyze, and explain their thinking both independently and successfully. When I think about critical thinking skills, I think about these 5 characteristics: creativity, analysis, communication, open-mindedness, as well as problem solving. Today, we're going to be focusing on the analysis component. Really, in order to support our students through the analysis process, it's helpful for teachers to show all students how to engage in the close reading of a text so that over time, all students can successfully understand, analyze, and evaluate the ideas in a complex text independently. Today I'm going to be reviewing a strategy called Say, Mean, Matter. And this strategy measures the same components of the learning progression, which are also aligned to the Pennsylvania core standards, as well as the independent expectations on the ELA PSSA, which starts at grade 3. This is really where we're going to focus our time with the goal of increasing analysis skills for all our students. So the Say, Mean, Matter strategy is a research-based pattern of thinking that can be both tried and applied in all classrooms. It's a strategy that helps students do these 3 things. First and foremost, question the text. 2, search for a deeper meaning of text. And 3, helping them to make connections between both the text and their lives. When presented with any type of text, and really this strategy can be used in all content specifics, ELA, science, social studies, even math, for all grade levels. This is the graphic organizer and framework that can be used during closed reading. So the first step is to ask the students, what is the text saying? Finding quotes, evidence to support their claim of what the text is about. Once you've established what the text says, the second read is to focus on, well, what does the text mean? What does the author want to tell us? And this is more inference-based, what the text does say and mean explicitly. So these are some sentence frames that you can use when having academic discussion with your classes. And then the third step is, well, why does this matter? Why does the text evidence matter? So this is definitely the collaboration component, the critical thinking analysis, where you're asking students to both explain and elaborate on why certain evidence and quotes and graphs and pictures, why they matter and why it's important for them to know. So we're going to try this with the children's literature book called The Dot. And what I did here is I pulled a release item from the 2017-2018 PSSA, and the TDA prompt was the author uses a journal structure to relate his experiences aboard a ship traveling from Pennsylvania to California. Write an essay analyzing how this structure conveys the experience of a journey at sea. Use evidence from the passage to support your response. So what I did is to connect this same skill is I transferred it over to the children's book, The Dot. So I created a prompt. It says, The Dot is a children's book that encourages us to be brave about expressing ourselves. Write an essay analyzing why the author chose a children's book format to convey this idea. Use evidence from the story to support your response. So the goal here is to use the say, mean, matter so students can successfully answer this prompt. Thank you so much for being a part of my presentation today. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me at barrisdm@northpenn.org. Thank you.